Hey guys, in this quick video I will show you how to fix keyboard settings or change keyboard font in OnePlus 13T. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.